Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 2. In our last video, we have learned a poem Noses and some question answers related that poem. We have completed page number 20, 21 and now today we will start our work from page number 22. In our last video, we have completed question number 1. Now today, we will start our work with question number 2. Punctuate the following passage. Here, a passage given, we have to punctuate it with some punctuate mark and capital letters. So, let's start. Here first, mother, father, Neelam said, I have got a fire engine. So here first we will start use quotation mark. Quotation marks are used to indicate speech or writing by another person in your writing. So here quotation mark mother, then exclamation mark, then father and again exclamation mark and quotation mark. Exclamation mark it is used to give a command and it is used to strong feelings or emotions such as shock, surprise, anger or a raised voice. And Neelam is a noun, so we will write her name in capital letter. Neelam said comma. Comma is used to show the difference between two separate ideas or elements within a sentence. Commas have other uses as well as they can be used to separate numbers and write dates. And again quotation mark and we use here capital letter. I have got a fire engine. Full stop. Full stop mostly used at the end of declarative sentences or a statement that is considered to be complete. Now one sentence completed. Now we will start new sentence. So we use capital letter. I have got a fire engine. Again full stop and capital W quotation mark what's apostrophe S. What's this? What's this? And question mark. Called mother and comma. Somewhat confused by the noise. Here full stop. I have. Here quotation mark and apostrophe. I have got a fire engine. Comma mother. Come and see it. Full stop. C in capital. Okay, now question number 3. Using a red pencil, choose and circle the things whose smell you like. Now with a blue pencil, circle the things whose smell you do not like. Make 5 sentences like this. I like or do not like the smell of days because it reminds me of days. So here some things name given. You have to use blue pencil for things whose smell you do not like and red pencil whose smell you like. And you have to make sentence. You have to fill 2 blanks and you have to make a sentence. Okay, now let's start. First one is petrol. So I have used blue here because I don't like its smell. So here sentence be like I do not like the smell of petrol because it reminds me of garage. So you have to make all these sentence. So first one, I do not like the smell of petrol because it reminds me of garage. Okay, what is the next thing? Rose. So I like the smell of rose because it reminds me of a garden. So here sentence be like, I like the smell of rose because it reminds me of a garden. Okay, now next is scent. I like the smell of scent because it reminds me of roses. Next is chocolate. So I do not like the smell of chocolate because it reminds me of a medicine. Okay, now next is chips. I do not like the smell of chips because it reminds me of potatoes. Shampoo. I like the smell of shampoos because it reminds me flowers. Next is rotten fruit. I do not like rotten fruit because it reminds me garbage. Champa. I like the smell of champa because it reminds me of temple. Next is dirty shoes. I do not like the smell of dirty shoes because it reminds me of garbage. Soap. I like the smell of soap because it reminds me of saint. Next is agarbatti. I like the smell of agarbatti because it reminds me of temple. Next is marigold. I like the smell of marigold because it reminds me of Diwali. Next is paint. I do not like the smell of paint because it reminds me of petrol. And garbage. I do not like the smell of garbage because it reminds me of rotten things. Coffee. I do not like the smell of coffee because it reminds me of chocolate. And last one is elaichi. I like the smell of elaichi because it reminds me of fresh tea. Now here you have to make any 5 sentence. I have written, I do not like the smell of petrol because it reminds me of garage. Second one, I like the smell of rose because it reminds me of a garden. I like the smell of scent because it reminds me of a roses. Next is, I like the smell of champa because it reminds me of flowers. And I like the smell of champa because it reminds me of temple. Now next is, let's sing. What is it? So here a poem given. So let's read. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hope he goes. What is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrots and watercress. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he doesn't make any noise at all. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hope he goes. Can you tell me that? What is it? Yes, it is about rabbit. Tall ears, tiny nose, and tiny tail. This is written by Mary Louise Allen. Okay, now next activity is write 3 pairs of words that rhyme with each other. You have to find out rhyming words from this poem. Now here I have written nose, goes, gas, watercress, smell, old, small, old. Okay, now workbook page number 14. Unit 2 noses. Here a small exercise given. Now today we will complete it. So first one is answer the question. Here are two questions given. So we will try to give their answer. And these two questions are from this poem. First one, why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? Why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? Answer is, the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it is stuck right out on the face and has two holes for breathing. Next one is, does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? So answer is yes, the child in the poem likes her nose. She thinks it is the funniest thing because it sticks out on her face like a handle and has two holes for breathing. Okay, now question number 2. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Here are 3 questions. Each question has 4 options. We have to find out correct one. First one is, the poet feels that her days is the funniest thing. The poet feels that her days is the funniest thing. Options are hair, nose, eyes, ear. Which is the right answer? Yes, ear. Sorry, nose. Kota, mommy. So here letter B. Second one, the 2 little holes in the nose are for days. The 2 little holes in the nose are for days. A. Looking. B. Reading. C. Breathing. D. Eating. Yes, which is the right answer? C. Breathing. The 2 little holes in the nose are for breathing. So here letter C in this box. Third one, if you want to laugh, just look at your days. If you want to laugh, just look at your days. Option, nose, face, head, hair. Which is the right answer? Yes, nose. So here, letter A, nose. Question number 3. Write the meaning of the words. So here 2 words given, we have to give their meaning. First one, space. So what is the meaning of space? Place or gap. And giggle. Giggle means laugh. Thank you.